Hello viewers, on today's video I'm going to show you how to replace your wiper motor on the 2015 Chevy Malibu Limited. So let's start by removing our wiper arm. You need to pop the cap off with a flat blade screwdriver and take off that 15mm nut that holding in place to the wiper assembly. Now we're going to put the hood down and wiggle the wiper arm until it comes off the wiper assembly itself. Do the same thing on the other side. You just wiggle it until it comes out. Now let's pop those Christmas tree pin here on both sides. There's one on the driver's side and the passenger side. Take them off. And now we're gonna remove the 7mm bolt that hold the wiper cowl to the body. There's about 5 of them. And once you remove them, now you're gonna apply the wiper cowl off the body, and you're gonna remove there are 2 water strip thing on each side. You need to remove that one. You pop them off. Do the same thing on the other side, and we're gonna remove the wiper cowl, disengage the wiper cowl from the windshield itself. You might have to use a little flat blade screwdriver. Be careful because you might end up cracking the windshield, but you should be able to do that once you get it off, and it will be loose. I'm not gonna take the whole cowl out. I'm just gonna put it on the side so that I can have access to the wiper motor itself. I just unplugged it, and we're gonna remove those 10mm bolt. Make sure you save them because the new wiper cowl doesn't come with them. You're gonna have to reuse them. And now you just game of patience and take the old one out. There it is. You put the new one in. Once again, make sure you reuse it. You save your old bolt because it doesn't come with new ones. And there you go. Plug it in and make sure you put that other small cover back on. It's held by 14mm bolt. Now we're gonna put the cowl back in. Make sure it's lined up with the windshield and that wiring harness here, and that will be it. Put all the push pin back in, the bolts, and you should be good to go. You switch forward. There you go. Good. Now we're gonna reinstall the old wiper arm. We'll do nothing. Make sure you have the wiper cowl in the resting position, like I just did. That's how you have to put it by default. And make sure the wiper switch is off in the vehicle when you install it. And that's it. Now it's time to go get inside the vehicle, install it, and test it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.